Hey guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video, I will let you know how to convert temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit in Microsoft Excel. And you see here I have entered certain numbers, and these numbers are in degree Celsius, and I have chosen these number intentionally because we know that 0 degree Celsius equals 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius equals to 12 degree Fahrenheit, that's it, 7 degrees Celsius equals 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, and minus 40 degrees Celsius equals minus 40 Fahrenheit, and then I have taken a general number. So I want to convert, I suppose that these are the temperature in degrees Celsius, and I want to convert these numbers into degrees Fahrenheit. And that I can do by using the convert function of Excel. So first I put an equal sign to activate the convert gadgets, and then I write convert, and I double click the suggestion here, and here I enter the cell number, which is E, column E, and 4. So I enter E4, and then a comma, then quotes, and for Celsius we use capital C. And if you are not sure, you see here it is, the suggestion is given capital C is for degree Celsius. You can click on this to go to help menu, and that would open another help menu on the right, but for the time being I know the suggestion over here, so I just put that Celsius, then comma, and then I want to convert this to Fahrenheit, so I put F, and you see the suggestion is given here, capital F is used for Fahrenheit. So, and then I close the bracket, and then I enter it. You see 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So it has converted Celsius to Fahrenheit, and if I want to do the same for it, I just put my cursor on the free handler and drag it down, and you see the 100 degrees Celsius we know equals to 12 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 equal to 9.6, minus 40, and 10 to 50. So this way you can convert temperature from one type of unit to another type of unit. At the end, thanks for watching Safi Mixed.